Connecting Stripe to Gumroad allows you to receive payments directly into your bank account, making it easier to manage your sales and earnings. To get started, you need to have a Gumroad and Stripe account. First, log into your Gumroad account and navigate to the Settings section. In the Settings section, click on the Payment Options tab. Here, you will see the option to connect Stripe. Click on the Connect Stripe button and you will be redirected to the Stripe website. On the Stripe website, you will be prompted to log into your Stripe account or create a new one if you don't have an existing account. Once you are logged in, you will be asked to authorize Gumroad to access your Stripe account. After authorizing Gumroad, you will be redirected back to the Gumroad website. Here, you will see that your Stripe account is now connected to your Gumroad account. You can confirm this by going back to the Payment Options tab in the Settings section. To test if the connection is working, create a new product or edit an existing one and set a price for it. Then, go to the product page and click on the Buy button. You will see the payment options, including the option to pay with a credit card using Stripe. When you connect Stripe to Gumroad, you can receive payments in multiple currencies and get paid directly into your bank account. You can also track your earnings and sales in the Gumroad dashboard. It is essential to ensure that your Stripe account is fully set up and verified to avoid any issues with receiving payments. Make sure to add your bank account details and verify your identity to comply with Stripe's requirements. By following these steps, you can easily connect Stripe to Gumroad and start receiving payments directly into your bank account. This integration simplifies the process of managing your sales and earnings, making it easier to focus on creating and selling your products.